Good morning, children. Rise and shine. Today you'll need your learner's book, your exercise book, and of course your pencil case. Counting in tens. This rod shows 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 10 rods make 20. 10 plus 10 makes 20. So we have 10, 20. 3 rods make 30. Sorry, 3 rods make 30. 10, 20, 30. And 4 rods make 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Here is a number grid, and here we have a pattern. That starts with 3. 3, 13, 23, 33. It's a pattern because to each number we go plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. Okay, let's take a look at that again. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. So we start with 3 and then we go plus 10. So here we have 3 blue blocks plus 10, and 10 is 1 red rod. So 1 rod, which is 10, and 3 blocks, which are 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13. On our number grid we have 3, 13. So we have 13 blocks, and we go plus 10. So we add 1 red block, because 1 red block is 10. So we have 2 rods, 2 red rods, which are 20, and 3 blue blocks, which make 3. So now we start with 23. Here we have 23, 2 rods, 3 blocks, plus 10, which is 1 red rod, gives us 10, 20, 33. So 3 plus 10 makes 13, plus 10 makes 23, plus 10 makes 33. Now let's do some practice together. 1. We have 1. Do you remember 1? What is it? Is it a rod, a red rod, or a blue block? Yes, of course, it's a single blue block. Plus 10. Plus 10. I have to add what? A blue block or a red rod? Yes, that's right. 10, because a red rod is 10. So 1 plus 10 on our number grid. 1 plus 10. Look at the number under 1, and it gives us 11. So 1 plus 10 makes 11. For another example now, 5. 5 is number 5. 5 is, of course, 5 red rods or 5 blue blocks. What do you think? Yeah, that's right. 5 blue blocks. Here we have 5 blue blocks. Plus 10. Of course, we add 1 rod, because this is 10. Plus 5. On our number grid, we've got 5 plus 10. The answer is 15. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Now we have 13. And here's the number 13. Now, 13. What do I draw here? Do I draw red blocks? Do I draw blue blocks? Well, 1 is 1 10 rod, so 1 red rod, and 3 are 3 blue blocks. So this is 1 red rod because it's 10, and this is 3 blue blocks. Here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, and if I go plus 10, well, that's easy because I go plus 10 is 1 red rod, and 13 plus 10 equals 23, and the answer is 23. Again, 18. What do I draw here? Well, here we have 10, so it's 1 rod, and here we have 8, so it's 8 blue blocks. So 1 red rod, 10, and 8 single blue blocks. Here it is, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And if I go plus 10, we add, what do we add? Of course, we add 1 red rod. On our number grid, 18 plus 10 gives us 28. So 18 plus 10 equals 28. Easy, yeah? Okay, and now for our next example. We have 22. 22, of course, is 2 red rods and 2 blue blocks. 10, 20, 21, 22. Plus 10, of course, we add a rod, which gives us 30, and is here. On our number grid, 22 plus 10 gives us 32. So 22 plus 10 makes 32. Now we have 20. 20 is 2 and 0. Now 2. Is that 2 red rods or 2 blue blocks? Well, remember that 20 is 10 plus 10. So it's 2 red rods. That's right, 2 red rods. And if I go plus 10, I add 1 more red rod. So we have 3 red rods. Of course, we have 0 blue blocks. On the number grid, 20 plus 10 equals 30. So the answer is 30. 20 plus 10 equals 30. In fact, 10, 20 plus 10, 30. And now for our last example, let's use 2 here. So 2. Do we put 2 rods or 2 blue blocks? What do you think? Yeah, that's right. 2 is 2 blue blocks. And if I add 10, I add 1 rod, because we have 10, and 2 plus 10 equals 12. And that's our answer, 2 plus 10 equals 12. Well done. Well, if you still need to understand better, go back in the video and look at the examples again. I'm sure that you'll get it. Now it's time for you to do some work. So get your exercise books, your pencil case, and your learner's book. On page 63, you will find a number grid to help you with these additions. We have 6 plus 10, 14 plus 10, 27 plus 10, and 30 plus 10. Ok ragazzi, adesso potete fare queste 4 addizioni sul quaderno. A pagina 63 del libro di testo c'è una griglia con i numeri che potete usare per aiutarvi. Se non avete il libro potete mettere in pausa il video e usare questa griglia qui. Quando avete finito potete riprendere il video e vediamo le risposte insieme. Buon lavoro! Okay, so here we have 6 plus 10. So on our number grid, here we have 6, and remember, plus 10, we go down to this number. So 6 plus 10 equals 16. Did you get that? 14 plus 10. Well, 14 on our number grid is over here, 14. Plus 10, we go down, and we have the answer 24. So our answer is 24. 14 plus 10 equals 24. Finally, 27 plus 10, well, 27 is here. 27 plus 10 makes 37. And finally, 30 plus 10. Well, 30 is here. And if we add 10, 30 plus 10 gives us 40. Okay, I hope you didn't have any problems with that. If you did, you can go back and look at the examples that we did together, and maybe that will help you. Here's a game that you can try online. It's an interactive game. The link is in the description box below. Ciao ragazzi, questo è un gioco interattivo. Vi ho messo il link nella descrizione sotto a questo video. Qui ci sono delle semplici istruzioni. Questo pulsante aggiunge una colonna da 10 o un'unità. Questa mano vi permette di spostarli all'interno di queste aree. La matita e il gommino qui per cancellare le decine e le unità se pensate di aver sbagliato, e questo pulsante qui per controllare le vostre risposte. Here you can see some numbers to make on the interactive game using the rods and the blocks. Qui ci sono dei numeri che potete provare a creare sul gioco interattivo usando i blocchi in colonna e i blocchi singoli, le decine e le unità. Buon divertimento! That's all for today, children. Bye bye.